Out of your false gate, please. There we go. There we go. There's 2 max rotation discs with a disc in the middle that rotates just a little bit less, but due to the fact that the siper is square and you need to turn back far enough for that siper to get propped up again, the max rotation discs like to get back a little, and then you can easily push them past the last little bit of their true gates. So what I just did was I had the middle 3 discs basically all rotated to the max, turned back a little bit to get the 2 outer max rotation discs rotated so that they're in their true gates, and then the middle disc turned that just a little bit more back with the pick tip and then open. They're pretty difficult locks. They are very fun. Yeah, very well made and really annoying to reassemble, because the spacers are free floating and they need to line up. While free floating, the spacers can rotate freely, and they need to line up to allow the sidebar to go back in, and it's a whole annoying mess to keep track of all of that. Okay. All right. That's what a sidebar, top of the sidebar sits, and what turns the actuator. The sidebar. And I believe this housing is just reused for multiple of Rosengrens' locks, because this one has two I believe the rotation limiters or whatever in it. No, wait, these are rotation limiters, and these are the tension discs. They, well, sort of, since it's a front tension, but these have to be turned by the curtain to allow the sidebar to drop in, and they're also what pops the sidebar out, because it's got a little ramp. But it has two, well, technically three, because it's two at the back, one in the front. So I'm not entirely sure why. I'm also a little bit weirded out by this. Like I said, there's two max rotation discs and then one a little bit less than max. But this is the last disc, second to last, third, second, first disc. These three discs turn almost the same amount, but for some reason they make this middle disc interface with a different part on the key and on the disc itself. Not entirely sure how that works, but it reminds me of the Rosengrens 32A, because in that lock the internal geometry of the disc is different per disc, but on this one it's all the same, so I'm not entirely sure why they do it like that. There's the keyway. It's the same for all the 32A and then numbers locks, I believe, because the 32A does have a different keyway, but all the other 32A, 8, 80, 80S also all have the same keyway as far as I'm aware. Yeah, because this is the 32 CQ2, but whatever. Alright, sidebar grooves, groove, and then the other things.